morning, students. I welcome you all to the SEMStar online learning. I hope you all are safe at home. This is Muskan Purwar and I am here to teach you mathematics. Students, as we all know that we are ended up with a summer vacation and I hope you all have enjoyed so much. And with enjoying, very few of you have studied, isn't it? Okay, so let's recall all the previous work which we have done before summer vacation. Now, students, as you all know, in assessment 1, 5 chapters are coming. Yes, first one is looking back, next numbers up to 1000, third chapter even and odd numbers, fourth addition, and last is subtraction. Yes, so students, I have already explained to you all these 5 chapters and now we will start revision. If we come to revision, I have done revision of chapter 1 also. We have already practiced so many worksheets, we have completed classwork, we have done book exercise and we have done revision 2 and I have taken test also. Yes, okay. So from now we will start revision from chapter 2. Okay. So our chapter 2 is numbers up to 1000. Before I start with the chapter, please take out your book and classwork copy. Open page number 19, chapter 2 and open page number from where you have started classwork chapter 2 also. Okay? Okay. So students, before I start with this chapter, I would like to ask you, how many of you have learned counting from 1 to 1000? If you have done, then it's very good, but if you have not done, then please stop the video, go and watch the previous video in which I have taught you countings. Please learn that, practice it and then come back and then watch the video. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand what I am going to solve here or what I am going to teach you here. Okay? And you will not be able to do exercise also. So please learn it and then join this video. Let's start from second chapter, that is numbers up to 1000. Before I start, I would like to ask you about the number 100. What is number 100? How it can be written in the number name form? 100. Isn't it? Now, what is the position of number 100? It is smallest 3-digit number. Do you all know that? Number. Okay. Now with this, we will also learn about more smallest and greatest numbers till 4 digits. Yes. So here I will write digit. Then next column is for smallest numbers and next is for greatest numbers. Okay. Now smallest 1-digit number is 1. That is 1 and greatest is 9. Smallest 2-digit number is 10 and greatest is 99. Smallest 3-digit number is 100 and greatest 999. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000 with and greatest is 9999. Isn't it? Now students, in this class or in this video, we will only learn till number 1000. We will not go beyond that. Okay, this much is clear to you all. Let's have a quick review. Digits, smallest, greatest. Smallest 1-digit number 1, smallest 2-digit number 10, smallest 3-digit number 100, smallest 4-digit number 1000. Greatest 1-digit number 9, greatest 2-digit number 99, greatest 3-digit number 999 and greatest 4-digit number 9999. I hope this much is clear to you all. Now let's come to next topic. Students, as we know that we are doing revision over here. Yes, I have already done explanation in deep before. So we are doing revision. So I will explain you in the short. Okay. Now let's come to next page number, that is 20, and the next topic is counting tens and 100. counting tens and hundreds. See, it is given at page number 20. Okay, now counting tens and hundred. Now I would like to tell you that 10 tens is equal to 100. We know this? Yes. Now students, this is 1 tens. In the same way, when we take 10 tens, then it will be equal to 100. As you can see this block, 10 tens means 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. This is 100. Okay. So it means 10 tens is equal to 100. I hope this is clear to you all. Okay. So let's take some example of it. If I say example 4 tens means this will be equal to 40. Yes. If I say 10 tens, then it will be equal to 100. You can write it as 100 also and in numbers also 100. Yes. If I say 60 tens, it means this will be equal to 6 hundreds, which will be equal to 600, this number. Okay, if I say 90 tens, then this will be equal to 9 hundreds. That is 900. Okay, clear? In the same way, you have to do your first exercise that is given on page number 22. Please open page number 22, self-practice 2A. The first and the second part of this exercise is like this only. Okay, questions are same like this. Okay, look at the first one. Write the number of hundreds and the numeral for the following. In the same way you have to do, for example, first one it is given over here 10 tens. So 10 tens is equal to 100 and 100 in the number form. Now this exercise you will do yourself. I hope that you will not face any problem by solving this exercise. Now let's come to number names. Topic number 3, that is number names. Now students, I have already told you 3 methods or 3 points how to identify any name of a number. Yes. So first step is what you have to do first. First you have to write the number names of the digit at the hundreds place. Okay. Then you will write the word 100 and then you will write rest of the 2-digit number. For example, let's take one example. If I say 101. So in this, first look at the number which is written over here, that is on the hundreds place 1. 1's tens 100. Yes. So 1 is written over here. You will write 1. Then you will write the word 100. And then you will write the rest of the number, that is 1. Okay. So this number can be written as 101. Let's take another example, 683. Now again we will look at the hundreds column, that is hundreds digit 6. So we will write 6, then we will write the word 100, then we will write the rest of the number, that is 83, 683. Got it? Let's take one more example. 428. Now again we will see hundreds digit, that is 4, so we will write 4, then we will write 100 and what is 28, so we will write here 28. I hope this much is clear to you all. Okay, so next exercise, self practice 2B, which is given over on page number 24. Please do this exercise yourself. In this exercise also you have to do write the number names. Then first is write the numerals for the following. In the same way you will write the numerals. Number name is given over here and you will write numerals. In the second part, number is given over here and you have to write the name. Okay, now third part is write the missing numerals in the table. Now countings are given over here. That's what I have told you, that before beginning with this chapter, please revise counting from 1 to 1000. That will help you much while solving this exercise. Now here you have to write the missing number. Fourth exercise is also missing numerals. Now next topic is counting thousands. Let's come to the next topic. That is counting thousands, or you can write it as thousands. Okay. Now students, thousand means 1000, thousand. So it can be written as thousand. Yes, the correct spelling of thousand will be this. Now what is the number thousand? It is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, it is the smallest 4-digit number. If we add 1 to 999, then it will be equal to 1000. Okay, now students, you look over here. Then I told you 10 tens is equal to 100. In the same way, 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. Got it? Okay. I hope this much is clear. Now open next exercise, that is given on page number 28. Self-practice 2C. In this exercise also you have to write the countings, missing numbers. This also you will do yourself. Please solve it, and if you have not learned counting, then please learn it again and again. I am saying this. Learn it. Okay. Now look at the ninth part. Write the number of hundreds, tens and ones for each number. Let's take one example of this part. Page number 30. Okay, page number 30, ninth part. First one is given in over here is 465, and the question is dash hundreds, dash tens, dash ones. And what you have to do is write the number of hundreds, tens and ones for each number. Means now look over here. Ones, tens and hundred. Which number is given at the hundreds place? 4. So we will write 4 hundreds. Tens, 6. So we will write 6 tens. And then 5 ones. This is very easy. This you can do yourself. Now let's come to 10th one. 10th is also very easy. Write the numerals for the following. Now here number name is given over here and you have to write the numeral of that. In 11th part, that is write the number names for the following. In this, numeral is given over here and you have to write the number names of that number. Okay, I hope this much is clear to you all. Yes, so please fill these 3 exercises in very neat and clean handwriting without any mistake, and I will share the PDF of these exercises. Okay, so do it in your book and keep learning and keep exploring new things. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.